Hey everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for clicking this video. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be cleaning around the house. I hope this video gives you all the motivation you've been looking for to do all the tasks you've been avoiding. If you're new to the channel, welcome and thank you so much for clicking. On this channel you'll find great tips to clean and improve your home in a fast and efficient way. So grab your cleaning products and clean along with me today. So today we're going to be starting on the outside. These windows need a little bit of love. I'm going to be using my favorite product, elbow grease, and we're just going to spray it around the windowsill. Elbow grease is great for PVCs, windows and doors, so this is my go-to product for areas like this. It works really well. So I got my Minke. So I'm going to get my microfiber cloth and I'm just going to wipe off all the excess product and all the dirt. So now I'm going to work on the inside using the same product. I love it. Like I said, it works really well on removing dust, grease, dirt, whatever problems you have, it will fix it. Within minutes, it already starts melting off and you can just wipe away. So it's my go-to product for any surface that I'm not really sure about, but it works really well. Like I've said before, it works really well in the kitchen. It's my favorite degreaser, and yeah. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried the elbow grease and what surfaces you have used it on. This is a friendly reminder to clean behind your sofas, especially if you got leather sofas, because dust normally does get collected behind here. So I normally would recommend using dishwashing liquid and some hot water, but then some sofas do have, the products that they recommend you to use. So yeah, this is your friendly reminder to move your sofas and give them a quick wipe. A deep clean actually, because sometimes you will find amazing things behind the sofa. Give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content. Now onto the bathroom. The pink stuff is my favorite product. I've seen a hack that you can actually use the pink stuff to remove marks on the wall. So this is me trying to see if a mark can come off. Apologies for the quality, it's just the lighting, the time of the day had gone off. So I'll probably do a much clearer version demonstrating if it works. Now onto the kitchen, let's do some dishes. Whilst we're in the kitchen, we're going to clean my wooden spoon. So this is what I normally do. Using dishwashing liquid and hot water sometimes doesn't always work. It does not extract all the oils. So in a week, I probably do this 2 or 3 times during the week where I grab the wooden spoons. So these ones, I washed them prior, but now I'm just going to do a deep clean. So I get my jug and I just grab my wooden spoons and then I just pour them. No, I just put them inside the jar. Then I grab my kettle, which has got boiling water, and I'm just going to pour it down there. Yeah, as I said, sometimes just washing them up after cooking, everything does not fully come out. But if you look closely, you'll start noticing that there's some oils that are seeping through. Look at that, it's literally like seeping through and floating to the top. So I try to do this maybe twice or 3 times during the week. This is to ensure that I'm deep cleaning the wooden spoons. And yeah, I mean, I learned this a few years ago, but I know there's other deeper ways you can deep clean them, but this is just one of my easiest hacks that I can ensure that I've done it. I know other people literally sand down the wooden spoons, but this is just meant to be a fast and effective way, but it works. As you can see, all the oil that I would have washed using washing up liquid. So this is just to ensure that it's deep cleaned. Let me know if you have done this before. And now I'm going to try another hack that I've seen online. So if you want to keep the jar or the glass that would have housed your candle and it's finished, there's a way that you can actually get rid of the candle wax. So I'm actually going to try out some hacks as well on this channel, because
it's all about taking pictures.
you know, there's so many other things I see online and I don't know if they're true or not. So right now I'm pouring the hot boiling water onto the candle, and already I can see some of the dust and some of the candle wax is already seeping through to the top. So I'm excited to see if it's going to work. I'm going to leave it for a couple of minutes to see what actually floats to the top. But I don't know if you guys have seen the hack as well, but it's meant to say the wax is now going to float to the top, and it looks like it's actually working, because if you see the bottom there, the wax is actually melting, and it's all the oils from the wax actually floating to the top. If you look really closely, you can actually see the wax starting to float up, which is actually really cool. I didn't actually think it was going to work, but wow, I'm really impressed. I'm going to actually leave it for a couple of hours and see what it's going to look like. So this is what it looks like now. I left it for about an hour and it's all melted to the top. And wow, like that's a really cool hack that I didn't think would work. So I'm looking forward to doing more hacks. And if you guys have done this before, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.